That's so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2, 3 times in a row. That's a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Beautyforever Hair. Beautyforever Hair sent me over this wig. This is their... Hold on. I was running up the stairs, child. I am out of breath. Okay, guys. So this is their 24-inch curly wig. And it's giving me like kinky curly vibes. And the only thing I can say, the wig is a little bit dry. But I moisturized it with this argan oil mousse. I try my best not to put no products in the wigs because sometimes the products weigh them down. It just depends. Like if it's deep wave, then yeah, you want to put some product to have it in that nice, you know. But if it's curly, I don't want my curly hair to be flat. I want it to be like voluminous. So yeah, and also I'm going to be giving away this wig. So if this wig is your vibe or you just want to win a wig, just comment down below anything and you guys will be entered into my giveaway. I want to show you guys what came in the packaging before I move on to showing you the install. The installs for this wig is super easy, so it's definitely a summer vibe. So I'm so excited to bring you guys these videos because these ones are chef's kiss, super easy to install. Anybody could do it, even if you're a beginner, even if you feel like, oh, you don't know how to wear a wig, you know how to wear this one. So yeah, this is their packaging. This is the box that the wig came in. Then it has this strip that you could put either along the front or you could put it along this area, depending on if you don't want to wear a wig cap or not, because you don't have to. Remember, I'm going to show you guys the inside of the wig and you guys are going to see how that looks. So it comes with this satin bag to put all your stuff in when you recycle the box. Headband, another headband, some lashes, a wig cap, and a brush. So yeah. And the person that wins this wig will be winning all the stuff in the box. So make sure you guys comment. And also I'm going to be announcing the winners every Friday on my community tab. So make sure you guys check the community tab to see who wins. I'm going to try to post at least 5 videos a week. So even the video on the Friday, when I post on the Friday, then it's going to go into the next week. And if you guys want to see how I installed this wig and got the hair to look so pretty and big and cute, let's get right into this video. This is your like ultimate summer curly wig because the inside of the lace looks like this. There's no cap, like there's no full wig cap, so your hair could actually breathe in this wig. So the inside looks like so. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. Around it has like this kind of grip, this grip material thing. So it's gonna stick to your head. It is pre-cut. All we have to do is put it on and just style the lace area and our edges. So I'm gonna show you how you do that really quickly. And this is also gonna be a giveaway. So if you guys want to win this wig and the goodies that's in the box, just comment down below supporting me, just giving me emojis, talk anything. You just comment anything and you'll be entered. Or tell me why you want to win this wig and you'll be entered into the giveaway. Okay, so it comes with an adjustable band. So I'm just gonna put this inside of the slots. The slots are right here, right there. Okay, and I'm gonna tighten this tight just because I know this specific elastic band is very stretchy. It does, the lace does look a bit light, but I'm gonna put it on just so we can see if I need to put some foundation on the lace. Okay, it's very snug. Definitely have to put some foundation on the lace because it's white. I'm gonna be using my Ruby Kisses number 15. I normally use the number 14, but I feel like the number 15 is gonna be good for my skin tone. I'm using the lighter side. It looks like this. I bought it on Amazon. I should link it down below. Ruby Kisses number 15. I'm gonna put on my hot comb because I'm gonna need it. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on now and see if the lace match. Oh, okay, the lace is matching now. Want to make sure that this is on comfortably. The lace is melted. That's the most important thing. Like just making sure that the lace is melted is the most important. Part it in the middle. You can part it anywhere on the top up here, but I just want to do a middle part because that's gonna be the easiest and most simplest thing to maintain. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the hot comb to hot comb the roots. and it should look like this. I do have to go in and fix the knots like the lace and stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys me fixing it. I can't find the black hair dye right now, so I'm gonna use a mascara and I'm gonna just go right down into the lace. This is just a quick fix. If you don't have hair dye on you right now, you could just use some mascara. All right, and then now I'm gonna go in with my number 11 Ruby Kisses. This is broken, but I'm just gonna use this to clean up the part. I normally use number 12, but number 11 is gonna have to do. I want to use a little bit of hair as like baby hairs or edges, whatever. That's just my preference. So most of the wigs are gonna have edges on them. Okay, I'm gonna pull this down just a bit more down my forehead. Yeah, and then I'm going to trim this off. Okay, and this specific wig, like if you like big hair, this is the wig for you. Like this is big hair. So I'm gonna put some mousse, not too much, but just a little bit. And then I'm also gonna use the mousse to kind of do the edges in the front part. I'm gonna wait for it to kind of dry down a bit, and then I'll come back. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. Super pretty. Don't forget to leave a comment so you'll be entered into the giveaway. If you guys like this wig, I will have it linked down below so you guys can check out Beautyforever. If you're into big, voluminous, crazy hair for the summertime, yes, you're gonna feel hot. I mean, it's curly hair and it's big and it's on you, but it's so freaking cute, and I don't know, it's giving me like tropical vibes. Like curly hair, deep wave hair always give me tropical vibes. So I'm gonna have the links down below and you guys can check them out. And yeah, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. If you do not win this giveaway, my next wig video will also be a giveaway. Make sure you guys just comment to be entered into the giveaways, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.